All right, this is the IC37, race number 3 on Saturday for the one design, and let's take a look at the results. First, we bring up the step details, and then we'll pull up the analytics. Let's take a look here. There you go. So the San Diego Team 3 won this race with double joint and blazer. So we have these boats in here, 1 and 3, and blazers 4. 18, 3, 4, and 18, 3, 4, and 18. 3, 4, and 18. So 3, 6.93, very fast upwind. Fastest boat by a good bit upwind. 6, 7, 8, 6, 8. So sailing a little bit faster than everybody else upwind in the first and third leg. Okay, so black flag start and boat ends favored. Super dense start for sure. So we're at 13:25. So we're at 2 minutes out here. Coming in, minute 30. Right here we're at a minute. Everybody was pretty safe on this line. Pretty conservative start, especially being a black flag start. And we come in 30. Zoom in here a little bit. But very conservative. No big deal in the start here. For gun. Boat 3 had the best start. Poked out. Going fast. All good. Boat 4 blazers here. This is first, second, and third. Racetracks a little bit. To the right. Currents change now. Coming in pretty strong. Stronger at the top, going left to right than at the bottom of the race course. It's like these guys got a good angle. 20's coming back at a good angle here. A little bit of variety. I'll throw a little right curve in this one a little bit here. Here we go. So really, again, I think from where the fleet is today, I think just a few things need to focus in on is get a clean air start. Even if it's not the favorite end, if you're in the middle and you get a clean air, you're still going to be so far ahead. So a lot of times, just making sure you've got low density, going straight, get a good start, going fast, and then you have options to be able to go straight or tack. Picking the right gate at the leeward side, leeward end, downwind. Big gains or loss that happen there. Don't overstay the ley lines. A lot of boats get out to the ley line way too early. Look at this line here compared to that line. So a lot of giving up distance there. Hard to manage that a little bit. I understand where if you go early, then you get tacked on. Go a little bit earlier so that when the person, fleet, or group ahead of you tacks on ley line, you're not right there. So trying to go a little bit earlier and have an opportunity not to overstay. Just getting comfortable at doing that. It takes a while to get it sorted. So one of the things I noticed here is jib up. Jib up downwind sailing is fast until you jibe. Very difficult in the jibe. It's harder to jibe with a jib up, getting the kite full. So the jib management through the jibe is really critical, and being able to help. So when you're on the back side of the jibe, the jib's not in and the kite feels quicker. So the guys that didn't have jibs up could jibe quicker, but they weren't quite as fast downwind. And I think about 18, let's take a look, pause for a second. Pause. 18 did not have, let's look at the stats, show step details. Okay, first downwind leg, 9.55 average speed downwind, 9.98 on 3, 9.89 on 4, with a 2.9, 2.9, and a 2.9. So 18.3. So it's not, it's almost, it's 3/4 of a knot difference possibly there, at least the scenario I saw. So being able to sail up with your jib up, and we're probably shooting what, around in that first downwind leg last race, maybe 13, 14. Jib up seemed to be the right way to do it. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So there's our course change again, a little bit to the right, making this mark a little bit more favored again. Same scenario, it just seems like we had that cycle where they'd start you on the left, we're going to go right, and they would reset the mark to the right. Little lefty coming back here. See the lefty coming back here? Lefty now starts to come back again. '19 goes over. Let's see if they pick up much on 19 here. Maybe they get back in the ball game here. Top of the last, beat management. Slow it down here a little bit. '20 trying to go out to the ley line, which they do make it from there. But look, the person here made it, so all this distance is extra sailed, right? All this distance is extra sailed. Probably more boats in here, and yes, you got to get farther out. This person here didn't have to sail quite as much extra distance. A couple of ducks there, and they get around. 16. One takes an early jibe out. 20 takes an early jibe out. Looks like a hot angle. It probably didn't work out so well for them. Maybe they got forced out with the boats around them. So if you look here really quickly, so jibing here, look how long they went low and slow. Scrub some speed, scrub some speed. So getting this jibe angle, using the puck. These guys did a better job of hitting their angles and trying to go a little bit faster, coming in and not giving up that last slow couple of boat lengths. All right, so let's go. We gotta show steps, and where's the results?